Hello little friends, today we are learn A to Z and color name. So let's start. This pink color, orange color, red color, black color, purple color, brown color, pink color, sky blue color, gray color, blue color, dark green color, white color, yellow color, light green color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Orange color. A for apple. A for apple. Red color. B. B for balloon. B for balloon. Yellow color. C. C for cow. C for cow. Blue color. D. D for duckling. D for duckling. Brown color. E. E for eyes. E for eyes. Sky blue color. F. F for finger. F for finger. Purple color. G. G for girly. G for girly. Light green color. H. H for horse. H for horse. Red color. I. I for eyes. I for eyes. Yellow color. J. J for juice. J for juice. Blue color. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Brown color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for mouse. M for mouse. Purple color. N. for nut. N for nut. Orange color. O. O for owl. O for owl. Red color. P. P for pig. P for pig. Yellow color. Q. Q for white. Q for white. Blue color. R. R for robot. R for robot. Brown color. S. S for squirrel. S for squirrel. Sky blue color. T. T for tent. T for tent. Purple color. U. U for under. U for under. Red color. V. V for vacuum cleaner. V for vacuum cleaner. Yellow color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Blue color. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Brown color. Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Sky blue color. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. Purple color. 1. Orange color. 2. Red color. 3. Yellow color. 4. Blue color. 5. Brown color. 6. Sky blue color. 7. Purple color. 8. Orange color. 9. Light green color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.